Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on SushiSwap. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that SushiSwap has broken out a very big falling wedge pattern on a weekly time frame chart, and it formed another rising wedge pattern on the same weekly time frame chart. And now, if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that recently SushiSwap is once again rejected by this quite long-term resistance of a rising wedge pattern, and at the same time, it is also got rejected by this quite long-term resistance of $2 as well. That was previously breaking as a resistance here, and now for the past few weeks, it is working as a resistance. And right now, SushiSwap is testing this quite long-term support of $1.60 that had been previously breaking as a resistance here, and resistance here, and resistance here, and now for the past 3 or 4 weeks, it is working as a support. However, this is a complete support and resistance zone that starts from $1.60 and goes to $2 that has been previously breaking as a resistance here, and here, and here, and here as well. And now again for the past 3 or 4 or 5 weeks, the price is struggling to break out this resistance zone. And in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will still need to break out this resistance zone even after breaking out this falling wedge pattern. So far, you can see that from this low to here, SushiSwap has pumped almost 345%, but could not break out this resistance zone. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you another very, very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And you can see that SushiSwap has also broken out this resistance as well. And this time, this resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud is moving at the support of this rising wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for SushiSwap that I shared on 15th of December 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reverse Gartler pattern that SushiSwap formed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal and read the sell targets on here. And this was almost 26% pump on this daily time frame chart. Before that, we caught almost 19% pump. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that SushiSwap formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell targets on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very massive reversal, another very nice reversal, and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 19% pump. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of SushiSwap, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that previously, since after the month of December 2020, it was moving inside this very, very huge falling wedge pattern. And after getting squeezed, finally the price and broke out the resistance. And when it was quite squeezed here at this between this support and resistance of this previous falling wedge pattern, in those days I've been telling you that this is a huge bullish bias pattern, and now the movement is quite squeezed. Therefore, now we can expect a very massive breakout. And you can see that after the breakout, we had a nice short rally. And after the breakout, by the way, we broke out this quite significant and key resistance on that starts from 85 cents and goes to 94 cents. You can see that here for several months, it had been working as a support. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a strong resistance. And you can see after the breakout from this resistance on the price and has been retesting the previous resistance on as a support zone and geared up. And now we are trying to break out the next resistance on that starts from $1.60 and goes to $2. And recently, the price line is also rejected by the resistance of this rising wedge pattern. In case of breaking down this rising wedge pattern, the target to the downside can be here at the bottom of the wedge. That will be approximately at 53 cents. However, it will be really difficult for the price line to break down this support zone that starts from 85 cents and goes to 94 cents. And at the same time, it will be also really very difficult for the price line to break down first this support of Ichimoku cloud, because this was working as a very, very long and huge resistance for the past several months, and now it can work as a strong support for the price line. However, so far so good, the price line did not break down this support, and I'm not expecting that it will break down this support. And this time, if the price then will be moved up to the resistance of this line, then it can hit this resistance, a quite long-term resistance of $2.75 as well. And in case of breaking out this rising wedge pattern, the target to the upside will be here. That will be approximately at $6.85. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that move is still due. That is here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $23 to $25. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.